Hi, I'm from European Union. I discovered that the Big Bang is false. So I started this channel against the Big Bang and I discovered many things because once you discover the Big Bang is false, many things fall like domino. So this video about the colliding of the galaxies. The galaxies were known since the ancient times, at least since the telescope was invented in 1500s, but they were known before that. Magellan saw them, and they are told about in the Bible even. A gathering of the stars. But now in the modern days, from sci-fi movies, they identified two things wrong: the sun with the stars, and they say that the galaxies are cumulus of stars, but stars that the kind of the sun is. So this is what I want to correct, okay? They were known in ancient time. Magellan saw them, so what they are, in fact, they are stars. By the time the Einstein he said that the galaxy was static, there were known. Messier cataloged over 100 of these Messiers, okay? And the galaxy of Messiers, he cataloged them in 1700s, so they were known. But what was the mistake then? By the time the Einstein lived, nobody knew the distance towards these Messiers, the stars. Nobody knew them. They were new, the Messiers. I told you, from ancient times. But nobody knew the distance towards these Messiers and what they were. In their head, they were stars. Pure stars. Pure stars. Okay, but and that's why Einstein said and believed that it was static, our universe was static. Including these Messiers, these stars, this kind of stars were for Einstein static, okay? So now Hubble came and said the Andromeda is receding. I put you in other videos of mine, the graphic of Andromeda, of Hubble graphic. He said the Andromeda is receding, I mean, is getting away from us. So everybody now says that the Andromeda is getting close to us. So he demonstrated on receding of Andromeda, that's the expansion. So some of you says this. I don't believe that you even know what Hubble tried to demonstrate. By the time the Hubble, they wanted to see if these are gravitational system. I mean, if they rotate. Gravity, by the way, means not to attract. This Galileo said. If you are stupid, don't know science, Galileo said this, and Newton. It is acceleration, it is not attraction. Aristotle said that they fall because they attract, and Galileo said no, it's only an acceleration. So first of all, they are not gravitational systems. The galaxies do not rotate. Gravity does not attract. So you are stupid. You lie the entire Earth. But now let me tell you what I want to tell you, to teach you. Look, the galaxies are a cumulus of stars. But what is a star? Look like this. You see? This is a cumulus of stars. This is a cheap installation of three. You see? And they are put on matter and they are static. The galaxies do not collide, okay? You see, they illuminate. They are put on a black t-shirt because at the border of our galaxy there's matter surrounding our galaxy, and there are waves like this. I put two black t-shirts. You see, like for you to understand. And they are put like this, and by like this, and you understand what galaxies are. We made this kind of bulbs, you see, they are not burning me, and they are small. Look what small it is. So God didn't knew how to make small stars. He knew, and he did it. And you are wrongly believed that in that kind of galaxy are stars like our sun. No, they are not. The galaxies are cumulus like this, and this is not burning, okay? You see? They produce light in a cold way, and for still they are put on matter. But the matter do not illuminate. All the Mendeleev do not produce light by himself. All the atoms in the Mendeleev. So they are put on matter, and they do not relieve only the what it is surrounding them, and they do not move. They do not collide, okay? They do not collide. The galaxies do not collide. They are put like this. One is put like this and one like this because they are waves, are both frozen waves, because they are not chemical or electrical movements, okay? And they are put like this, simply like this. They do not collide. Hubble said that Andromeda is getting away from us, and you falsified that Andromeda is getting towards us. And when the expansion of the universe was lied and invented without any science to back up, then the Hubble were sent in space after 19, and they discovered that there is no expansion because there are many galaxies like this. So where was the expansion? When you, in the picture, you see over 50% of the galaxy are like a cumulus, like a 2, 3, 4, 5, one near close one another, okay? Like this, like this, like this, like this, like this are the galaxies, okay? And you do not see the matter. There is a picture from the Earth, from the moon. And the Earth is not missing. You cannot see the matter, only what is illuminated, okay? So the galaxies do not collide. And you live like children in animated stories. Sorry, Harvard, now Harvard, you lie in the entire Earth with some pictures on the computer with rotating stupidity. You're stupid, okay? Stop lying the entire Earth. We do not have to be obligated to study your craziness on the entire Earth, to lie the entire Earth, that you know science. You don't even know what gravity is, and you lie the entire Earth. Gravity means to circulate, and we do not know the equation of the circulation, only this kind. We do not know another one, a spiral one, or another. We do not know an equation of this kind, okay? So the galaxies are stars. You do not lie against God and against science and against if you are children. So listen, the galaxies are cumulus of things, but like this. God could make this kind of objects to illuminate. There is not fire, there is nothing. They are cold even, and they are put like this. Okay, look, you see? They are put like this, and they are in any shape of any kinds. Put on the matter the border of our galaxy, like this, like 2, 3. Okay, they do not make like this because they are stable. Okay, so the galaxies do not collide. They are not getting anywhere, and they are stars inside our galaxy. Okay, they are stars inside our galaxy. There is matter at the border of our galaxy. Our galaxy has a radius from the sun 26 billion kilometers. I discovered it. I discovered this, okay? So you listen now. Now that I have told you, you have no word to say that you are not told. You were told, okay? You make wrong things for on the entire earth, and you pretend there is no science. Once I've told you this, you could not have a word against. Okay, you must understand. You have lied one another, but now once I discovered, you must understand this. The galaxies are cumulus of stars, but like this, like in these sci-fi movies. You invented that. Like in some sci-fi movies, that's our planet and the stars are like our sun. Nobody told this, but you in your head. So the galaxies are like this, and they have small objects, and they are extracting energy because they are putting liquid hydrogen and helium and nitrogen liquids and all the gases that liquefy that cold, and they are cold, and there's water. Our galaxy is not spiral, it's spherical, and the galaxy are put in the matter at the border of galaxy. There's 20 hours the speed of light. After Pluto planet, there's 20 hours the speed of light in a ring of sphere full of stars. Okay, and they are even small like this, billion, trillion, small like this. Okay, you can see in the pictures, 1 or 2 in the galaxy are big. The rest of them, they are made from metals, and they extract energy even from there. Okay, and they are put like this, one like this, one like this, one like this, one like this, and they do not move anywhere. They are static stars. Okay, they could be planets there. Like a planet means a cumulus of matter that do not have light, that do not produce light. They could be entire blocks of iron and tungsten and even gold, like a planetary object, like and they are static there, and they are not stars. They could be matter surrounding our galaxy to not illuminate like this, because matter do not produce light. There must be some steady function between energy and the potential difference. Okay, so they could be even, like you say, planets. They could be not. They could be that there could be matter or more of our galaxy that is not round like this, that is not spherical, and it is like this there, and it's not a star, it's not nothing, because our galaxy is surrounded by matter. It's spherical, it's ginormous. It's enormous, okay? If you understand, 26 billion, a sphere with 26 billion kilometers. You understand, and 80 billion kilometers in circumference, or 160 billion kilometers. The stars are not at 20 billion kilometers, light kilometers far. You cannot see a star from that distance. Look, the light diminishes with distance, and the light has all the vectors in all directions, okay? It will not reach a small picture towards us from a star. A star, it will diminish with distance, look, and will disappear in a point, okay? So you cannot see a galaxy from 20 billion kilometers. The galaxies, look, I like this, put on matter. And the matter has no power to, the light has no power to relieve the matter, only in the near vicinity. You see? If I will close this light when I'm filming, and it's light from outside, even this could not illuminate the entire t-shirt, only in the near vicinity. The matter has a hunger for light, for energy light, and it is absorbing it. All the matter absorbs light, and they do not have power, even though they are put on matter, to relieve only the matter in the near vicinity. Okay, like I told you, the Earth from the moon, and you cannot see what was filmed from the moon. You cannot see half of Earth, because the sun illuminates only this part of the Earth, and is not missing. The Earth is not missing half on Earth. It's not illuminated, so it's not showing. There's matter there. Put like this. I told you, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. Okay? Like this are galaxies. And the galaxies do not collide. They are static stars. They are static stars inside our galaxy. I affirm that we do not know a universe like you say that it is a universe. This is only our galaxies, our galaxy. If you want to understand, you can name this another way, Rakia, like Jewish said, or the sky, or the heaven, or something. Maybe to not confuse them with a galaxy. Our galaxy is not a galaxy, it's a heaven. Maybe there is another one. We cannot see the universe. But you must understand this, and to recognize this true. We want to know, we want to go there, but not lie. It's that you are from America, and to lie the entire earth with this kind of animated stories. These animated stories, they are not science, okay? The galaxy are static. Once I've told you, you have no word, okay, against. So you must recognize this. And stop lies. You are sickening the entire earth with false science. The children, they do not have what to study because you are lying to them. Look, it is not burning me, okay? This is the way the stars are. The stars do not produce fire, only light. The light could be separated, and there is matter, liquid matter at the border of galaxy, okay? It is not flat, they are wave, frozen wave, because nothing is moving them. In all the Hubble picture you can see there they are matter there. You 99% they appears matter, but you have eyes and you do not understand. There are clouds of matter and the stars are put in the matter. 90% of the pictures from Hubble have matter in them. So you must understand, the galaxy do not collide, do not move. They are cumulus of stars, but you are wrong to believe what star it is. A galaxy is a star. And all these kind of shapes are static, like flowers of light. You can shape this, you see, in any kind. And it is not gravitational. Nothing is gravitational. In science, in physics. Only your head, stupid head. Only the planets. And the Newton said that he did not knew why. He gave an equation, but he said that he did not knew why. It was like this, but he says that he do not know. You see, you shape this any kind you want, and you understand what their galaxies are. And they are static, and they stay like this. They are flowers of light. Made inside our galaxy. Okay, goodbye. This is what I wanted to tell you. There are waves, frozen waves of matter that standing still, liquid gases, even water maintain liquid at the border of our galaxy. And all these galaxies are stars inside like our galaxy. Pull like this. Okay? Pull like this. Okay. My coffee is gone. You understand that I'm telling the truth, okay? I say science at the coffee science, and I discovered that the Big Bang is false, and all the things are implied. And I want that entire earth to know this and to understand. It is time that you will understand this. It is time maybe for us to go to the stars. What Elon Musk does is real science, not what you are lying in schools. That engineer is science. And we can go to the moon, we can go to the Mars and other planets there are. There are 250 celestial bodies that we know. Satellites and things like this. And it is time for us to go there. You stop the earth with these lies, that these galaxies, you stop. And once I've told you, you must recognize this, okay? You must understand. You are children. You are mistaken. You do not know science. Do not lie against God and against science and against truth. I've told you this. You must understand. The galaxies do not collide, and their stars in our galaxy are static. Goodbye.